Good morning, everyone. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because I noticed when I'm sitting back from the camera, it's hard to hear me. I'm kind of low. But as y'all see, let me check the time. It's almost time for me to go. Just came in real quick to open this video. Happy Tuesday. Totally awesome Tuesday. Some people call this day Transformation Tuesday. But I don't know what I'm gonna call it. But today is Tuesday. Welcome to my channel. How y'all doing? What's up to my OG subscribers, people who've been with me from day one? Welcome. To all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget, to the people who just pop in, look at my videos and they don't subscribe, please subscribe. Also, watch my videos to the end, please. It helps me, it helps the channel when you comment, watch it to the end, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you, because I know you, my friends, could be doing something else, but you chose to watch my video. Thank you. Vlogtober is hard. Vlogtober is hard. If you're not an active person like myself, I don't do much. And it's hard vlogging every single day about different things. And when you don't have an exciting life and you don't be out in these streets, because I'm clearly not out in these streets, it's kind of hard to plan things and put things together. So that's the reason why most of my videos is basically talking to y'all, talking to the camera. So yeah, also, I messed up on my diet. But I'm not even going to claim it as messing up. Because as y'all know, I told y'all, I'm trying to eat less meat. I'm trying to eat meat only 2 or 3 days a week. And it's hard. It's hard. So, say for instance, like yesterday, I ate meat. I really didn't want to, but I didn't have any plans. You know, I bought that soup, but I have to think of different recipes other than soup. If y'all have any like vegetable recipes or vegetable meals that I could prepare, leave that at the bottom. Or if you know a good YouTube channel that's good, we all know Tasty. Everybody know Tasty website or YouTube channel. But if you know somebody or some channel other than Tasty, leave that in my comments, because I need help. I really want to stick to this whole meat only 2 or 3 days a week. I'm really trying to stick with it, because you know I want to slim down. I want to get healthier. Also, I'm gonna try to start like walking or doing some kind of exercise. You know, maybe 30 minutes a day. You know, I figured that's a good start. So yeah, those are the things that I'm trying to do. And like I said, I messed up yesterday. Well, not really messed up, but I ate meat yesterday. So I think let's see, today is Tuesday. I really start my day like Monday. I think I ate meat yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. What am I talking about? So Monday I had meat, which means I only have 1 or 2 more days of eating meat. So therefore, I really need to plan my week out, or I'm gonna mess up again. You know, because if I eat meat, you know, if I had ate meat yesterday and then I turn around and eat it again today, which means I only either have 1 more day, or the rest of the week I gotta eat vegetables or pasta, which I don't really eat a lot of pasta. But basically, I'm trying to figure out something other than meat, more of a healthier choice. So I need help. Y'all help your girl out with some recipes, you know, with some kind of motivation to help me stay on this, you know, because it's a lifestyle change, and you know, you gotta start off slow. You know, it's like I said, I'm learning. I need help. Give me some recipes, give me some kind of creative ideas, so I'm not eating the same stuff over and over and over, which gets boring, and that also makes you fall off of your diet, or your, you shouldn't call it a diet. Anytime you call something a diet, you always fail at it. But I gotta get back on this route. Okay, yeah, I'm done with my morning route. I'm gonna try some of these pumpkin drinks at Starbucks. I'm just gonna go through the drive-thru. I'm not finna go inside the store or none of that. So let's head on over here to Starbucks.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Okay, can I get a tall pumpkin spice latte with half and half?
Tall pumpkin spice latte made with half and half. Anything else?
And a tall pumpkin cream cold brew.
For sure. Anything else?
That'll be it.
All right, tell those 10:08. I'll see you on the corner.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm on my way home, sipping on some Starbucks. This is that cold brew, the pumpkin spice cold brew. Actually pretty good. I actually got two because I just did a video. If you want to see that video, it'll be out real soon, about my thoughts on these two drinks. I don't know if y'all Starbucks fans. I love me some Starbucks. I don't have much space on this memory card, but like I was saying, I'd be so happy when Christmas time come and the parents give me Starbucks cards, because I really enjoy Starbucks, and if I could get it free, I'll take it. So if y'all want to send me a Starbucks card, my email is down in the description box. Come on, send your girl a Starbucks card. I'm done with my route. I'm going to head home, figure out dinner. I might just eat a salad. If I don't eat a salad, then it's a big possibility that I'm going to eat some meat. And I don't even want to stress about what I'm eating. You know, I really don't. I just want to take it as it is. You know what I'm saying? If I got taste for some meat, I want to eat meat. If I got a day where I just want to eat vegetables, then that's just what it is. I don't want it to be like that. I just want it to be like a natural thing. I wish I had some fish, though. Like some salmon. I just don't feel like going to the grocery store. Yeah, I wish I had some salmon, which will be good, and put some of that lemon pepper seasoning on top of it with some honey. So good. I forgot that other recipe. I found a recipe. I think it was called honey herb. Was it honey herb? I can't even remember the name of it, but it was so good. Oh my goodness. So yummy. And I think it had like oil, like butter, Italian seasoning, and honey, I think. I can't even remember. I wish I could remember. I know I had texted to my daughter. Man, I wish I could remember that recipe. I should have saved it. Goodness gracious, it was so good. So good. I have the recipe, but remember I said I made the salmon before, and here's a picture of it. Oh, I hope that picture come in. There's a picture of it. I just wish, I hope it comes in. Man, that salmon was so good. So I'm going to try to find the recipe. And like I said, if I do find it, I most definitely will make a video so y'all could try it. You know, if y'all love salmon like I do. I'm a huge fan of salmon. I found it, y'all. It's called Baked Honey Lemon Garlic Salmon in Foil. And that's how it looks. It's on the website called Creme de la Creme is the site. Man, I gotta pin this to my Pinterest. I'm gonna pin it to my Pinterest so I can always have the recipe. Let me see, where am I pinning it at? Right here, fish recipes. If y'all on Pinterest, leave y'all Pinterest at the bottom and I'll follow you. Cause I'm on Pinterest too. It's, for some reason, Pinterest don't get as much love as it should. You can find some amazing ideas on Pinterest. So I'm just gonna end this video right here. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Also, please, please, please watch my entire video from the beginning to the end. It really helps me. It helps my channel. Also, when you thumbs up the video, it helps my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching and welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to my OGs? Yeah, y'all. I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.